Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a QuickBooks Workforce account. First, your employer needs to invite you. They will send an invitation from their QuickBooks Payroll account to your email address. This initial step is crucial for gaining access to your personal payroll information. QuickBooks Workforce offers a secure and easy way to view your pay stubs and tax documents anytime, anywhere, saving you time and effort. Once you receive the invitation email from QuickBooks Payroll, open it and click on the Accept Invitation button. This link will direct you to a secure page where you can either create a new Intuit account or sign in if you already have one. It is important to use an email address you regularly check, as this will be your primary contact for Workforce notifications. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully to proceed. After successfully accepting the invitation and logging in, you will need to complete your personal profile. This includes verifying your name, address, and other essential details. If your employer supports it, you can also set up or update your direct deposit information here. Ensuring all your details are correct is vital for receiving accurate pay and tax documents. Take a few moments to double-check everything before saving. With your QuickBooks Workforce account fully set up, you can now conveniently access all your pay stubs and tax forms. Navigate to the Pay section to view detailed breakdowns of your earnings and deductions for any pay period. When tax season arrives, your W-2 or 1099 forms will be readily available for download. You can also update your personal information, such as your address, directly within your profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.